This is Sam with Sam Carolina Landscaping. Today, I'm gonna show you my process, start to finish, mowing, trimming, blowing, maybe not in that order, but that's the process. Be sure to subscribe, comment, and like. Alright folks, so when you pull up to the property is that you want to think of a few things. You want to think of efficiency, you want to think of efficiency, and you want to think of efficiency. Efficiency is the #1 thing when it comes to lawn care because you want to get in and out of there, especially if it's raining like it is today. So you pull up to that property, and the first thing you're going to do is come to a full stop, hit that park, hit that e-brake, turn off that vehicle of choice, whether that be a truck, bicycle, or a motor vehicle, and go ahead, hop on out, swing them around to the back, get you out to the back of the trailer, take that first hatch, take that second hatch, pull down that back end, and go ahead, expose that back end of your trailer, flip out that little flippy thing. Immediately after that, you're gonna have to think about what you're gonna be listening to. I like to listen to EDM.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
So then you run over to your vehicle, you get your Trimmer Helper 3000, set that up, go ahead and get yourself some string. If you got a big property like I got here, is that you're gonna need some extra string. If you don't have that extra string, you're gonna run out 10 miles away from the car and you ain't gonna have, 10 miles from that truck, and you're not gonna have any string, and that's not gonna be any good. After that, you go ahead, swing around, grab yourself your trimmer, take that trimmer, check that fuel, push that start button, swing the choke up, and crank that, and then hop on that Trimmer Helper 3000 and have yourself some fun. You also need to get your eye protection. I like to use sunglasses. Some people use the clear glasses, other people use the goggles. I'm a sunglasses kind of guy. Get your sunglasses so that your eyes are protected. You don't want to get hit in the eyeball with any kind of rock because it will hurt. Now, that's when you start getting it. You roll around on that Trimmer Helper 3000, you trimming, going at least 10, 12 miles an hour, hitting everything that's tall. You hop up onto the sidewalk, take that trimmer and flip it around, flippity floop, going 90 to 50 to 70 degrees, whichever angle you need to do to be able to hit all of that grass. Again, when you're edging, is you're trying to get that grass off the sidewalk, making sure to get around all them trees, getting around all of them concrete blocks that have the big old light poles on there. Get a shot of that. Get around that as well, and hop up off the curb, come back on over to the back end of that trailer, and then we're gonna get on our mower. Okay, sometimes I do have problems getting it started, I suppose, but we got it started, and you take that mower and you pull it down out of the trailer, and you swing it around on the property. If it's raised, you've got curbs that you gotta hop. Hopping curbs is something that is a little bit of a technique. You take one wheel up and then the other wheel up, and you back it on up. It's a little bit of a trick. I may make some kind of video on something like that, I don't know. But when you get up on there, you pull that thing, you get the little island right there. I like to blow away from the street. It makes it a whole lot easier when I'm blowing if I just blow everything onto the sidewalk. On these commercial properties, I'm not too worried about stripes, especially if it's these light little tiny islands. So you go down that, you come back, you go down that again, come back, and then you got yourself grass cut. That's what we're here to do, is we're here to cut grass. It's not that difficult. You take the mower, you cut the grass, and you swing it back on over to the trailer, and then the next step after that, then you're gonna grab your blower, and it's raining, so you gotta knock this out quick. So you get your Trimmer Helper 3000, hop on there, and just start going. And then it's all done. I think that pretty well covers the whole process. Maybe you do a quick inspection. Maybe if there's some spots that you missed trimming, you can even tug on that grass if it's not a lot, take that on out of there. And then after that, you close up your back end, latch it up, move on to the next property. And that pretty well concludes start to finish process on mowing. If you have any questions, you can put it in the comments below. If you want to like the video, that helps with the, what is it called? The algorithm. The alligator. It helps with the algorithm. It helps with the alligator if you like the video. And be sure to subscribe for the next video. And we'll see you next time. Is that it? Do I need to...